Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how you can remove index.php from your website URL. So if you are using a WordPress website, then it will be a little bit easy for you. So if you are not using WordPress or any other platform, then you have to go through your cPanel. Then you have to edit your htaccess file. In this tutorial, I am gonna show you how you can remove this index.php from your URL for WordPress website. So if you are facing this type of issue on your WordPress website, so it's gonna going to helpful for your website. So if you keep this index.php, then URL not will be SEO friendly. So it's very important to remove index.php from your URL for SEO purpose. So let's go and solve this issue. So your first step will be login your WordPress dashboard. After logging in your WordPress dashboard, you have to go uh, settings, then permalink. Here is the permalink. So in this permalink page, you will see some permalink structure option. So see, you will see like that custom structure. So you have to make it post name. So post name is SEO friendly URL structure. So you have to always keep it post name for URL structure. So after clicking on the post name, you have to just update the settings. After updating the post name, I mean the permalink. So just to your website and check it again. So now if I click on my any of pages, website pages, so see, index.php is gone. So now it's SEO friendly URL right now. So it's very hard thing that we need to fix, because it's related to SEO issues. So we need to fix it immediately before we launch the website on Google, submitting the website on Search Console, because it's important to keep same link for lifetime. I mean the same URL structure. We want to keep lifetime, because if we change the URL structure certainly, and sometimes later and later, so it will be very harmful for uh, SEO. So when you are going to start a website, so fix it before you launch the website. So hope you enjoy the video. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel. I will get some inspiration with it. Thank you so much for watching.